tell your SP that the fundamental right of life and liberty is more than everything. पैसा खर्च करोगे किसके लिए? लोगों को जेल में डाल के. Your SP has no courage to face the court. उसके लिए बहाने बनाएंगे कि इन्वेस्टर मीट है, फलानी मीट है. Then I am granting interim bail. उसके बाद जब आना उसको आना होगा. एहसान कर दिया ना सर. सुबह क्यों नहीं एहसान किया था आपने? दिखाइए डायरी मेरे को. अपोज करने चले आएंगे, जवाब देने के लिए मुंह छुपाते हैं इधर से उधर. डायरी प्रोसीडिंग्स दिखाइए मेरे को. आपका वो जो पुराना आईओ था उसने कब क्या 2 जुलाई को टेक ओवर किया था ना? 22 जून को टेक ओवर किया. और मेरा बेल ऑर्डर किस तारीख का है?
That order is dated the 1st of July 2022.
4th of July, sir.
1st of July.
1st of July.
Should I pass over the copy of that?
No, sir. I just wanted to verify that what action was taken by the IO
After passing of the order.
after expression of displeasure by this court. Madam, do you have any idea about this case? Fine. Madam, what is the minimum requirement or the qualification for participating in the auction of the scrap by the OFK?
Sir,
Madam, you may come.
certain amount of जो राशि है सर वो फिक्स करनी होती है.
Okay. And whether a person requires some registration under some act to deal with the scrap of fired ammunition or not?
So there are two provisions actually. One is for general garbage scrap and for another one is for explosive one. जो एक्सप्लोसिव है सर उसके लिए दो तरह की परमिशन उन्होंने मांगी है. और जो जनरल गार्बेज होता है उसके लिए.
Hey, we are not dealing with the general garbage.
Sir.
Let us confine to the scrap of fired ammunition, right? And now anybody can participate in the auction proceedings or
लाइसेंस कैन.
license. And who has to issue the license?
सर MSTC की साइट्स पर जब आप ऑक्शन के लिए जाते हैं then they will entitle.
Okay. Have you seen the license which was issued by the OFK? Is there any provision that the successful bidder can assign the contract to somebody else?
Sir, there is two different provisions. SOP has been make it clear they can't make another deal with the other person.
Madam, then why that provision has been made in license? Why it has been made in the license?
That is what is like we have made it questioned document actually. Sir.
Madam, it is a typed document.
I
So there is no question of any questioned document.
actually the deed between Fahim and Sultan.
I am not concerned about the deed between the two co-accused persons.
Sir?
I am concerned about the license executed between this global traders and OFK. Have you seen that document?
Sir.
Please take out that document. आप ये देखिए पेज 46 पे है. Otherwise, that is also a part of the case diary. उसमें है. I had seen on the earlier days. Someday it is a part of the case diary.
So that has been quoted in the earlier order by my lord.
Sir, she might not be knowing
Yes.
that what had transpired on earlier occasion. That's why I thought it proper to keep the things as straight as possible so that she may understand the things very quickly. Okay, हमने कंगारू jump लिया ना, sir. It may be easy for us, both of us, to understand the things, but it may not be easy for her. Have you got the copy of the license?
Sir.
The first paragraph.
Sir.
आप इनके उसमें से देख लीजिए, वो same है. This deed of license made on this between on behalf of the President of India hereinafter, or commanded on one part, and Shri Sultan Ali, son of Shri Habib, hereinafter referred to as the contractor, which expression shall include, except the context otherwise requires, his heirs, executors, administrators, legal representatives, and permitted assigns of the other part.
Sir.
What does it mean?
Sir, my understanding is कि ये it means कि वो जब करेगा तो उसके बिहाफ पर जो उसके लोग जाके they can collect the material. ये उनके लिए he cannot make a deed with other. Sorry sir.
Wow, very good. अच्छा मैडम, his heirs, executors, administrators, legal representatives,
Sir.
ये जाके ले सकते हैं.
हाँ, actually sir the procedure is कि जो
क्यों? ये क्यों इतनी मेहरबानी क्यों मैडम?
सर जो मैंने वहां जाके समझा था सर एसओपी को, तो उन्होंने ये बताया था कि जब हम ऑप्शन करते हैं सो इट इज फॉर अ ईयर, तो हर दिन वो जो फायर करेंगे और जो एप्लीकेशन होगा कलेक्ट करने के लिए.
ये इतनी मेहरबानी क्यों लाइसेंसी के लिए?
ट्रू सर, बट दे आर इन देयर एसओपीज.
They are SOPs, right? तो आपने उसको क्लीन चिट दे दी.
नहीं सर, हमारा इन्वेस्टिगेशन इज ऑन एक्चुअली सर.
क्या इन्वेस्टिगेशन चल रहा है?
Put some letters to the.
When those letters were written?
There is in the case diary I think.
ले लीजिए.
Even
All-
we taken a.
When those madam, please let us move step by step. When those letters were written, the first letter was written. They sent a reply because they're looking to the size of the crater. It appears some big bomb had blasted, which is never supplied by the OFK. Therefore, we are scot free. This is what they have said. Then, what further investigation was done by you before I took up the issue?
My humble submission.
No. Don't make a humble submission, madam. अब just
अनडाउटेडली सर आपकी डायरेक्शन के बाद ही हमको बहुत सारी चीजें क्लिक कर पाते हैं.
अच्छा मैडम, इन्वेस्टिगेशन के लिए हम आपके लिए सहारा दें कि आपको इन्वेस्टिगेशन करना है. मैडम आप जरा ध्यान से बोलिएगा. मैं अभी सेक्शन 36 ओल्ड सीआरपीसी पे आने वाला हूँ. अगर आप लोगों ने मात्र एएसआई या एसआई से सैल्यूट खाने के लिए वर्दी पहनी हुई है, then fine, make a statement. I will not put any further question to you, right? When on every day their arguments start with a statement that matter was also investigated by NIA and NSG. What superior officers were doing, I will come at a later stage. Now you have made a statement that only when I took up the issue, then you woke up, right? Then why you people are regularly making a statement with an underlined words that this matter was also investigated by NSA and NIA and NSG when the senior police officers are not ready to look into the case diary. आंसर चाहिए मुझे मैडम, आप क्या हमें धमकाने के लिए बैठे हैं कि साहब NSG देख रही है, NIA देख रही है? अरे आपको नहीं देख रही क्या? और अगर आप एग्जेम्प्टेड हैं उनकी वो भवन से, तो आप हमें कैसे धमका रहे हैं? देखिएगा अपनी एक कैफियत डायरी की, उसमें पूरी कैफियत में कौन से वर्ड को इन्होंने अंडरलाइन किया हुआ है, दिखाइए जरा कैफियत मैडम को, ऊपर की सेकंड पेज। और आपके काउंसिल हमेशा स्टार्ट करते हैं सर NSG had investigated, NIA has investigated, but what you people are doing, it is unusual case, right? For what the senior police officers are sitting, you are 110% right. On the last day when your so-called IO he appeared, my first reaction after looking at him was that he will not be able to investigate at all, because I know it requires some sort of expertise and intelligence, and the blank face which he was having, my first reaction was ये कुछ नहीं कर पाएगा. Unfortunately, so-called senior police officers who are under duty as per section 36 to give direction to the subordinates are equally at the same level. High court से जब तक क्वेश्चन मार्क्स नहीं उठेंगे, you people will never work out.